Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week in my Erin Cauldron, I am using a kit from Crest Press. I purchased this quite a long time ago before she closed this past time. It is called Starry Eyes, I believe. Um, I love how neutral this kit is. I think this whole spread came out so beautiful. And I did forget to purchase the glitter headers for this kit, so I went ahead and added my own glitter headers that I had from the blanket planner that I purchased like 2 years ago. I think it matched pretty well, and it ended up making my spread super glittery. For the bottom washi, I used some Simply Gilded washi with the hollow bows. I don't have black and silver. Hollow is the closest thing I have, so I feel like it matched. It's okay. I also use bougie boxes from Sticky Essentials, and then I think that's pretty much it. I only use a 1 day extender, I'm pretty sure, on Monday because Monday was quite a busy day. Um, but yeah, this week in that I'm planning here, there was like a lot that happened, but a lot of things that happened for the better, the best, the good. I don't know, but you guys will see in my next couple plan with me's. I did say I was taking a break for a while, which is true. I am taking a little break, but I'm trying to film whenever I have a chance. Um, I guess I will. I mean, I think I might wait to announce it here on YouTube what's going on in my life. You guys will probably first hear this announcement on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you are. It is Erica Marie Plans to find out what's going on in my life and why I'm taking this hiatus. Um, but yeah, you guys will find out soon. In real life, like in real time right now while I'm doing this voiceover, big things will be happening for us in the next 2 weeks. So that's when you guys will find out. But yeah, okay. So that's a little bit on what's going on right now. But in this plan with me, this was quite a busy week. Still in quarantine, still working, um, just doing a lot of YouTube binges, watching new shows, just stuff like that. So yeah, not a whole lot new going on. But I'm going to go ahead and get started with the day by day. First thing on Monday, it was Monday, so I wanted to treat myself to some Starbucks. So I did a Starbucks run. The Starbucks run script is from SPC and I used an emoji. Down below that, I marked that I did some tidying up around the house. The tidy up script is from Letters to Apollo, and the little like duster is from Clever Girl Crafts. Also, earlier that day, I got some Happy Meal from Lululemon. I did make a big purchase from Lululemon, like, I think a month ago. From March? No. Maybe like 2 weeks ago. I can't remember from this date, from April 13th. It took forever to get to me. I know we're just so backed up right now. So I understand, but I was just like really surprised that it took that long. But anyway, I got a Lululemon order and a Sephora order because I've been shopping from Sephora like crazy lately. I've been so into like skincare and hair care. No makeup. I don't wear makeup ever. So I've just been really into my skin and hair products, so that's what I've been buying. I also planned my budget, which I've never done before, and I need to start doing that. So I started to do a little bit of budgeting. The plan budget is from SPC, and then I use a Glam Planner Girl. And then the icon of the Happy Meal boxes are from Planning World. Yes, they're from Planning World. And then down below that, I used a little Happy Girl. I can't remember where the sticker's from, but I was just really happy because one of my families um, had donated us money, or I should just say gifted, because she knew like everyone's just like in a hard time right now, and they're literally the sweetest family ever. But they gave each one of us teachers and my manager like a large amount of money that I was just like, what the heck? I've never received this much money from from like one of my students or like a family. So I was just really, really thankful for that. And I'm just like, gosh, that's a lot of money for all of us to get this money. So it was really nice. I put that right into my savings because I'm like, I need to start saving my money. But also underneath that, I put a Fox and Cactus Girl, marking that I went on a run. The run script is from SPC. Also, walk the dogs. The dog footprint or the dog print is from Sadie Stickers. And then down below that, I used another Fox and Cactus Girl that was kind of like sad because this was the day that all my coworkers got laid off and my supervisor got laid off. So it was like really sad and I felt really bad for them. Also, later on that night, I took off my nail polish, and I have bare nails. Even right now, I have bare nails, and it's so weird. And then to end my night, I had some tea time. Moving on to Tuesday, I'm a little behind, but Tuesday I went on a run. This was also the first week of the Lululemon Strava challenge. If you don't know what Strava is, it's like a app where you track your workouts. I track my running on there. So Lululemon and Strava did like a collaboration of doing this challenge for if you worked out 5 days for the next 4 weeks. Um, you got like a trophy to add into your, it's not an actual trophy, it's like a virtual trophy to add into your trophy box on the Strava app. And you got a little treat from Lululemon at the end, and I actually just got my little treat, and it's a discount that we got, which was really nice. I unfortunately can't use it because I work at Lululemon, but it was really cool that all these other people that got to do this challenge got this discount as well, so that was really cool. But yeah, this is the first day, our first week that it started, and so I was like running a whole bunch. But okay, that was like, I got a little off topic. Anyway, Tuesday I started my day with a run, and then there was also some road work being done on my street, and so I marked that with a at symbol. I don't really know what the exact name is for those signs, but I use that. I also had a Zoom meeting earlier this day, and I did a drop off at the post office because I had been selling a lot of my Simply Gilded washi. So the drop-off script is from Letters to Apollo, and then I use the Munchkin to mark that. I also got my tax relief paycheck this day. I know so many people are having so many problems like getting it, but I thought I would too, but I got it like right away. So I was really happy about that. Let me know down below if you guys qualify for it or if you've gotten it yet. I don't know, I think that's kind of interesting because I know a lot of people that just have not gotten it yet. Um, and then on Tuesday, I also had to go back to my school and pick up a lot of my things because there wasn't going to be anyone there. So I just wanted to like go and pick up my stuff I had been leaving there. I also made some iced tea this day, and then I ended my night with some Chipotle. Sorry if you can hear my computer. It's like really hot right now. I'm doing this on my laptop, so it's definitely overheating right now. Okay, moving on to Wednesday. Wednesday, I worked early this day. I just wanted to go in early so I could get off early. So I used a Fox and Pip girl to mark going into work early. Also went on a run, and this was the day I did, excuse me, this was the day, I think, was it Wednesday? I think it was Wednesday. I went on a 6 mile run, and that's the longest run I've done in a long time. And I felt like so good after too, I was like really happy about that, and I didn't feel like overworked or anything like that. Um, my dad also made enchiladas this night, and so I used a munchkin to mark that. And then I had a big filming night, and I used a film script from Avenue K Design, which is no longer open, and a camera icon from SPC. Down below that on Wednesday, I marked with a munchkin that I did some shopping. I don't remember. Oh, Alani New. That's what it was. I've been talking about the past like 3 Plant With Me's. Alani New came out with a new pre-workout that day, and I wanted to make sure I got my hands on it because everything always sells out pretty quick. So I got on there right at, I think it was 9 o'clock it came out, and I got it, and I still haven't tried it yet, but it's like a blue raspberry, and I love blue raspberry anything, so I'm really excited to try that. Also, I marked it with a cake doodle from Once More with Love that we had some cake this day. I think my sister made some homemade cake. And then to end my night, I binged watched some 2020 because what else is new? Okay, moving on to Thursday. Thursday, I had a meeting. Oh yeah, I had a Zoom meeting with, and I was the only girl there, and there's all these like adult men. I mean, I'm an adult too, but there's all these men that I had this meeting with, and it was, I don't know, it was different. And it was just, yeah, it was a different meeting. Anyway, and then on Thursday, I also went on another run. I used a cardio script from Kinsey's Creations and a Glam Planner Girl. I also had Jack's this day for dinner. We walked to Jack's to go get some yummy salads. I used a Coffee Monsters Co. emoji to mark that and a custom script from Kinsey's Creations. And then we also watched this Netflix documentary. I wish I remember the name of it, but I don't. It's like a history documentary. I like watching like history documentaries, so we watched that. And then Thursday was the day I finally was starting to get kind of sore from running. I've been stretching a little bit, but I hadn't been like rolling anything out, and I definitely needed to. So I was getting pretty sore in my legs. And then I also did some research. Well, I guess it's not really research. My boyfriend kind of like was teaching me a little bit about more about stocks and like all that kind of stuff. So marked that. And then to end my night on Thursday, I did some editing. And then the editing script is from SPC, and the clapper is from Clever Girl Crafts. Moving on to Friday. Friday, I did not go to work. I took a sick day because I didn't have anything to do. And right now, I need to use as many sick hours as I can. So I decided to take a sick day. I used a script from Letters to Apollo to mark that I binge watched with me this day since I wasn't going into work. I also did some grocery shopping. We went to Sprouts, which I've never been to Sprouts. But my boyfriend likes to shop at Sprouts. My go-to grocery shopping store is Trader Joe's, but we ended up going to Sprouts. And then we got a whole bunch of things from Sprouts. And I used a munchkin that had like a face mask because we obviously had to wear face masks. And then I got some Happy Meal this day. I got some Happy Meal from SPC. And I got my new glasses in from Warby Parker, which I love them. They're like baby pink. And I just think they're so cute. They're like my fun pair of glasses. And then on Friday, later on, I marked with the Fox and Cactus Girl that I went on another run, and that completed my first week of my Strava challenge. I also filmed a plan with me, and then I'm like trying to organize everything here because I need to like fit something else in there. But I filmed a plan with me, and then I ended my night watching The Secret with my boyfriend, it's like I don't want to say it's like, I can't explain it. It's like a documentary, but it's called The Secret, and it's just about being like open-minded and just putting positive energy out there. So it was something I definitely needed because, as you can see here, I got in a really good day, and so I put a munchkin to that. And that was, yeah, it was not a good night. Okay, moving on to Saturday. Saturday I slept in, and so I used an emoji to mark that, and a sleep-in script from Letters to Apollo. I also did a voiceover this day. The voiceover script is from Ice Cream Joe, and the icon is from SPC. I also went on a walk with my boyfriend downtown, or down in Midtown, Sacramento. It was really fun. We just walked to like the Golden One Center and back, and it was a good time. I needed to get out. And then I also, on Saturday, we started looking at houses again. We've been looking at houses since January, so it's just, I don't know, we're just like casually looking. And then I used a GPS studio girl to mark looking at houses, and then I ended my night doing my hair mask that I've been doing the past month now, and I absolutely love it because I've noticed a complete difference in my hair, and I love it. Okay, moving on to Saturday. Saturday, I woke up early. I'm such a morning person. My boyfriend is not. He like goes to bed at 5 a.m. and I'm like waking up at 6 a.m. So our schedules are completely opposite. But yeah, so I woke up early. The wake up early script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations, and I use a munchkin to mark that. I also made a latte this morning, and then this day was an adventurous day. I'm not going to get too much into it, but my boyfriend and I had to call the police twice. There was just stuff going on that we needed to take care of. And then I also made breakfast this day. I know, I'm not going to get into like the story. It's like, I don't know. Anyway, Sunday was a very productive day. I also did a whole bunch of editing, and so I used a Fox and Pip laptop to mark that. And then we cooked dinner this night. I don't remember what we cooked, but we cooked dinner. I think we cooked, no, I have no idea what we cooked, but apparently we cooked dinner. And then to end our night, we watched the movie The Report. It's on Amazon Prime, and it's a really good movie. I really liked it. Who's in it? The guy, I can't remember his name, but he he reminds me of Madison Bumgarner from the San Francisco Giants, if you guys know him, but I can't remember his name, but he's a very popular actor. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys are subscribed to my channel so you can see all the new videos. Follow me on Instagram so you guys can find out all the new updates, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye guys!